Hey everyone, so it's been a while since I did a painting video, and this will be two paintings in one. So I hope you guys enjoy. This is called Barron Mining Corporation is the name of this painting, and kind of the history of it. I kind of decided to make like a mining town where a bunch of miners would mine, and eventually they just ended up building like a village just so it's shorter trip uh, to the mines, and eventually it became its like own town. So that's kind of like the lore, I guess, for this little town. Like wanted to have a little bit of a story to it, so just put in some rocks here and there, and the village looks really cool. Kind of reminds me of like Fallout a little bit. You'll see here in a moment once I start painting in the buildings. It was gonna be. I was kind of going for like a old, almost steampunk, rustic feel for it, like industrial. And so I kind of wanted to have like this gloomy feel to it. So I used a lot of grays and browns and stuff like that. Um, so I thought that looked pretty cool and fitting. And here's most of the buildings have been painted in. Kind of has that rustic industrial feel to it, which was exactly what I was going for. It's the mining corporation sign, and did a lot of work on it. I loved how it turned out. Also made it kind of look like it got done raining by putting some like reflection on the metal roof and stuff, and turned out really well, I think. And now we're gonna transition to when it's all done. Now it's all done. This is what it looks like, and we're gonna go into the mines itself. So this is the second painting, and this is just barren mines. This is what I got drawn out. I always like to draw it out first, and starting with the furnace. Gonna paint the fire, starting with red, just kind of making an outline. So with fire, it's opaque near the edges, and as the fire comes towards you, it's more transparent. So like the edges of the flame will be the brightest, and you just kind of build on that. Uh, the it's blue near the bottom as well, and I just get brighter along the edges of the flame, and then start going into the oranges and stuff. Just kind of emphasizing the lights, and eventually it'll start to look like fire. Now I'm laying down the ground, so it's kind of an orange color from the flame, and then I add more black to make it kind of a brown, and I just keep getting darker and darker as I go away from that flame. And also more desaturated means less vibrant of colors, and that just happens naturally when I add black anyway, so that works out fine. And I just kind of want to get that gradient to get make it look kind of realistic in terms of the lighting. Same with the walls here. As it gets away from the furnace, it'll get darker and darker, etc. Put in a second light source on the right side. It's going to be kind of a bluish light, more of a cooler light to kind of have nice composition of color from the bright orange. Give it a little bit of a cool color on the right side. The same technique. It just gets darker as it goes away from the light, like so. And just almost done. Just gonna fill in the last piece, and this is what we got. Kind of this giant drill and like a mine with a bunch of industrial pipes and gears and stuff. And I really loved how it turned out. Comment below and tell me what you think. I had a lot of fun doing this piece, and hopefully you enjoyed watching. Thanks again, guys.